We've reached the end of this video series on Unit 6, Final Adjustments and Process Publishing on BIZUIT. Throughout these lessons, we've explored all the key aspects needed to prepare a process and make it ready for production in BIZUIT. Now, let's take a quick look back at what we've learned and highlight the most important takeaways. We've seen that properly configuring parameters, notifications, visible columns, and logs is essential to ensure that the process is efficient, clear, and easy to manage. A well-published process, with trace and logging options enabled, allows for efficient monitoring and simplifies troubleshooting in real time. With this series, you now have the tools you need to make the final adjustments and publish processes with confidence in BIZUIT. Remember, the key is to carefully plan every detail before publishing, and use the options BIZUIT offers to maintain full control over your processes.